Ever reach that moment where everything looks good on paper, but deep down, something just feels off? Yeah, I found myself there. The goals, the growth, the gratitude, it all existed. But so did the emptiness. I didn't need another hustle hack. I needed a pause. Not a collapse, but a conscious retreat. What happened next changed how I see productivity forever.
So I went to someone much more wiser than me to ask for advice. And he told me that sometimes we have to know when to move ahead, when to wait, and when to retreat. And this may be one of those moments of retreating and waiting patiently. He gave me 3 things that I should consider. The first, retreat inwards, reflecting on your situation and maintaining reticence in speech and action. In other words, don't rush ahead. Just remain patient, reflect on your situation, and wait patiently. The second piece of advice he gave me, align your thoughts with what is true. And finally, the third piece of advice he gave me, continue to practice presence and stillness while you patiently wait for the opportunity to act and move ahead. He told me to remember that sometimes exerting power at the wrong time can often lead us into trouble. Resisting or butting heads with a situation that you have no control over, you can't change, will only lead to your own head damage. So I figure at this point, I should conserve my strength and energy and move forward when the way opens.
So I've learned that retreat doesn't mean retreating from life. It means returning to self. When I honor stillness, my energy doesn't vanish. It gathers. And when the right moment arrives, I move, not rush, but ready. And that's not insane productivity. That's wise power. Now, if this resonated with you, don't just click away. Sit with it. Then share it with someone who might need to hear it. And until next time, stay calm, stay centered, stay steady, and most of all, stay inspired.